Hello guys, if you are going to add your Google Analytics property in Google Search Console, but you can't find the Analytics property. You already created Google Analytics for your website. Then why this happens? It happens because we don't create Universal Analytics property on Google Analytics. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, open your Google Analytics. Select your website from here. Now go to the property section. Click on the Create Property. Type name of your website. Select Reporting Time Zone. Select Currency. Click on Show Advanced Options. Turn on Create a Universal Analytics property. Now type your website link. Now if you already created Google Analytics 4 property, then select Create a Universal Analytics property only. Click on Next. Now select the category for your website. Select your business size. Select the options which you want to use in Google Analytics. Click on Create. Now we successfully created Universal Analytics property for our website. Now simply go back to Google Search Console. Reload the page. Click on Associate. Now we can see our Analytics property here. Simply select it. Click on Continue. Click on Associate. Now we added Google Analytics property to Google Search Console. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.